Every day we see or use hundreds of different things. We don't always necessarily know the purpose of some of the things that we use, but use it anyway. Sometimes our guess works. Sometimes it doesn't really. Today at Simply Curious, we are going to explore the 10 things that you didn't know the use of. Number 10. Aluminum wrap tabs. You're probably aware of the tiny tabs at the ends of aluminum foil boxes. You may even have punctured one by accident. These tabs actually help to secure the roll so that it doesn't come sliding out every time you grab a sheet. Simply press in the tabs to make sure your roll stays put. Number 9. The F&J mystery. What on earth are those little bumps protruding out of only the F&J keys on a keyboard? Well, here's the reason. In 10-finger typing, these bumps indicate where your index finger rests and help you find your way back to the home position without having to glance down from the screen. Number 8. The pasta spoon hole. The hole in pasta spoons is not only there to strain the noodles and let water drain out. It's also used to indicate the size of one person's portion of spaghetti. Just cram in as many noodles as you can fit into the hole before cooking and you'll have the perfect portion size for one. Number 7. The small extra cloth that comes with your shirt. Why do new pieces of clothing come with extra pieces of fabric? No, it's not for any patchwork. Well, if you've ever gotten a little extra piece of fabric on a new piece of clothing, this can help you from potentially ruining it. The manufacturer includes this sample of the material so you can test how various laundry detergents react to it. Number 6. The Converse mystery. If you're a fan of Converse shoes, this may answer a piping question in your mind. Those holes in the sides of Converse shoes aren't there for decoration. They are there for ventilation. Many also believe that because the shoes were originally designed for basketball players, the holes were used to loop the laces through them for a snugger fit. Number 5. The hole in the padlock. Ever wondered what that little hole at the bottom of padlocks beside the key part are there for? Turns out, this tiny hole is there to help oil the lock if it becomes rusty. It also works as a drain to drain out any liquids that may go into the lock, like rainwater if the lock is used outdoors. Number 4. The small hole in the window of an aeroplane. It's called a breather hole or a bleed hole, and it's used to regulate the amount of pressure that passes between the window's inner and outer panes. In short, the system ensures that the outer pane bears the most pressure so that if there were a situation that caused added strain on the window, its outside panel gives out, meaning you can still breathe. The breather hole also keeps the window fog-free by wicking moisture that gets stuck between the panes. After all, half the fun of an airplane ride is in the in-flight scenery shots. Number 3. The small hole on the pen cap. Contrary to popular belief, the hole in the cap is not actually placed there to keep your pen from drying out. There's actually a very important reason for this hole to be there. The hole is there so that there's lower risk of suffocation if a small child or a nervous adult ends up choking on the cap. Number 2. Holes on the handle of kitchenware. Have you ever sat and wondered why on earth do all your pots and pans have mysterious holes at the end of the handle? Well, there's a reason for that. It's not only to hang them. The hole is also there to hold that messy spoon while you're cooking up a storm. Number 1. Little plastic discs under the soda cap. Did you know that those little discs under the lids of plastic bottles are actually there for a reason? No, it's not for you to uncover a hidden message or secret prize, but it's actually to help keep everything in the bottle. The disc maintains the liquid and carbonation. Without it, soda would quickly go flat. So what do you think of this list? Obviously, this is not a ranking video but just a compilation of 10 things. If you liked the video, press the like button, share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to Simply Curious.